Imagine being in charge of a factory where a quarter of the shop floor changes every year. Or having to introduce new products in the matter of days, instead of months. This demand for extreme agility makes it more and more difficult to predict, with confidence, your production performance. Manufacturing engineers have invested for years in high-fidelity digital twins. These advanced simulation models can predict with a great degree of confidence KPIs such as throughput, bottlenecks, or on-time delivery. Now, imagine putting this predictive power that was once limited to engineers in the hands of factory operations. Optimize My Plant connects the factory digital twin to enterprise and shop floor systems and turns it into an always-on, predictive engine. This enables users, from strategic leaders to shop floor planners, to ask simple questions, such as: predict my order delivery date. Optimize my production capacity. Evaluate the impact of a new product mix or a different shift plan on energy consumption. Behind the scenes, Optimize My Plant leverages plant simulation as a service to provide answers in a way that is tailored for every role. From high-level dashboards to detailed hour-by-hour KPIs. You can quickly compare scenarios and quantify the impact of your decisions. As one of our customers put it, this is how you go from uncertainty to certainty. From gut feel to confidence.